Hey, Mr. Bookstore owner.
Hey Emily.
What you working on?
Oh, nothing, just this display for our upcoming event promoting environmental conservation.
Cool. Mind if I suggest the book to display?
It looks like I already filled the display to its max capacity, so unless you have a compelling argument, I am going to have to decline your offer.
I think I have a strong enough argument for you. I actually brought the book with me.
Alright, I'll let you try to convince me to do more work.
Great, let's get started. The book is called Junk Raft by Marcus Ericsson, which, as stated by the cover of the book, is pretty much Ericsson's oceanic journey in 2008 from California to Hawaii on a raft supported by plastic bottles to promote the endangerment of aquatic environments.
Plastic bottles. Doesn't that add to the pollution?
Theoretically, yes, but they were all strapped onto pontoons, which aided in the raft's overall flotation. Ericsson and his crewmate Joel Paschal both had doubts over the engineering of the raft, which almost failed to complete the journey and almost sank very soon into their voyage.
Sounds terrifying, but how does it promote action towards pollution?
During the narration of the event, Ericsson would frequently interrupt with relevant commentary, in correlation or relating to the events occurring in the story, depicting the actions taken by several activist groups, such as Ericsson's own Five Gyres Institute. He would include incidents regarding the legal battles fought against plastic corporations, defending their capital by utilizing unfair tactics, mostly in the form of bad science, in their evidence funded by the American Chemistry Council.
Could you elaborate a little regarding the bad science?
That just refers to the scientific experimentation meant to combat the claims of various activists protesting the plastic industry that usually involved results that could not be reproduced or replicated under typical experimentation processes initially used by the activists in order to strengthen their argument. This could be used to manipulate courts in favor of the plastic corporations, and in some cases, shut down the operations of companies utilizing sustainable materials to produce bags and packaging.
Oh, that's awful. Sorry for interrupting. You can continue on.
Haha, no problem. Anyways, Ericsson would include these incidents to expose the measures that companies took to protect their industry in hopes of informing and inspiring the reader to promote change. With the inclusion of the legal battles, the author additionally mentioned the manipulation of plastic consumers with the promotion of recycling, placing the blame on customers instead of investing on sustainable solutions for their products.
Wow, that's irresponsible.
Yep. In addition to the court cases and corporation manipulation, Ericsson also evaluates the common terms and misconceptions in the field of oceanic pollution. One example that he included was the difference between bioplastics and biodegradable products.
So what's the difference?
Bioplastics, while derived from plant-based materials, are basically the same as your typical plastic used in a plastic bottle, which basically fails to decompose quickly under natural circumstances. Meanwhile, biodegradable materials do the opposite and are the ideal descriptor for single-use packaging.
I really like your sales pitch, but I still probably need more convincing.
Also, one of the books on your display is literally titled Spooky Stories.
Oh. Well then, it's settled. I'll promote this book because your sales pitch, and I'll include a coupon as well.
Hey man, glad to recommend this book to you. Good luck with this event.
Thank you. Have a nice day.